Hey guys, it's me, Finn. You probably noticed I'm using some new animations. Watch this. I'm gonna do a front flip. Yeah! All of what you're seeing right now has been made on this preset pack, the Finzar Animation Pack 2, which is now currently available on my website, Storezar.com. Now this is the much anticipated sequel to the first animation pack, which has sold like crazy and had insanely good reviews. Now you've got plenty to play around with in this pack, including tons of character slide-ins, which can also be used on backgrounds, loads of character transitions to make animating your characters fun and also look extremely professional. I've also made animations for your screen to do things like this. What's that? Did somebody say cinematic bars? Everything in this pack has been lovingly made by me. This pack will drastically improve your efficiency and up your editing game hugely, guaranteed. So head to Storezar.com, browse the presets, and level up your editing skills. Now get the hell out of here!